Hey everybody, it is time for another memory keeping spread, and this week's theme is rainbow. So I'm using the amazingly colorful and happy items from Cocoa Daisy's April 2020 kits called Up and Away. And I'll link those kits down below. I think there are still some things left in the shop that you can order. Um, but it is full of fun colors and balloons and suns and rainbows. And so Rainbow Order was the theme for this week in my memory book. So um, I laid out some washi, top and bottom, and I put my dates down. And now what I'm doing is laying some adhesive on the backs of all of my photos and paper rectangles. I'm using, this is double-sided score tape, and I have been walking through the neighborhood as much as I can these last couple of weeks while being socially distanced, and we've had a few days stretch of warm weather, and all of the flowers and trees are starting to bloom. And so as I was walking, I was taking pictures, and I realized I had so many colors that I could do a whole spread just with pictures from my neighborhood and coordinating papers. So that's what I've got going here is all of these floral photos I've taken on my walks, and then I used Happy Planner punch to punch paper from the planner kits, the memory keeping kits, and even some of the pocket cards to coordinate. And I'm also, you see me here putting down some die cuts and die cut stickers. And then the last thing to do is to journal, and I decided I'm going to go whole hog and I'm going to journal in colored pen also, which I never do. I always use black pen, but I just wanted this to be really whimsical and fun. So I'm just sort of jotting down, a few sentences about every day. Sometimes when I do, like I did this layout, and I wait till the end of the week to put it all together just because I'm busy, I just keep a little notepad next to the bed and jot down just a sentence or two for each day so that when I look back on it, I remember what it is that I did and what I wanted to write about. So as soon as I'm done here with all these colors, I'm going to put the pages back in my book. And then when you see the final pages, I did add one more photo on the very left and some journaling on the very left about just recent updates with the coronavirus situation. But this layout, I think, was really fun. It came together very quickly. I don't know that I would want to do this riot of color every week, but for a one-time thing, I think it kind of turned out cute. It brought back my inner Lisa Frank aficionado person. Um, yeah, it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this come together. It only took me about 20 minutes to do, and I really liked it. And I hope you do too. And I will see you next time. Happy memory keeping.